Welcome to English Spoken Stories. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English stories and lessons. Today, I want to share my English learning journey journal. I hope it will help you a lot in learning English. The adventure begins. My journey to mastering English. Wednesday, August 2020. I can barely contain my excitement as I embark on this thrilling adventure to learn English. I've always been fascinated by the world's most widely spoken language, and I'm eager to unlock its secrets. My journey begins today, and I'm ready to dive in headfirst. The spark? My love affair with English started when I was a child, watching cartoons and movies with English subtitles. I was enchanted by the rhythm and melody of the language. As I grew older, my interest only deepened. I began to notice the vast array of English books, songs, and conversations around me, and I longed to understand them. Setting sail. Today, I take the first step towards making my dream a reality. I've gathered my tools, a dictionary, grammar books, language learning apps, and a willingness to learn. I'm ready to navigate the ups and downs of this journey. To stumble, to make mistakes, and to learn from them. The journey unfolds. As I start my journey, I'm filled with anticipation. I imagine myself conversing fluently with native speakers, reading classic novels in their original language, and writing stories that touch hearts. The possibilities are endless, and I'm eager to explore them all. Challenges and triumphs. I know that the road ahead won't be easy. There will be moments of frustration, self-doubt, and exhaustion, but I'm ready to face them head-on. With each obstacle I overcome, I'll grow more confident, more resilient, and more determined. Milestones and celebrations. As I progress, I'll celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. I'll treat myself to a favorite meal or activity, write a reflective journal entry, or share my achievements with friends and family. These moments will remind me of how far I've come and motivate me to keep pushing forward. The joy of learning. Learning English won't just be about mastering grammar rules or vocabulary lists. It'll be about immersing myself in a new culture, exploring different perspectives, and broadening my horizons. I'll delight in the journey, finding joy in the little things. See a perfectly crafted sentence, a witty idiomatic expression, or a beautiful poem. The future unwritten. As I begin this journey, I know that the path ahead is uncertain, but one thing is clear. I'm ready to embrace the adventure, to learn, to grow, and to evolve. The future is unwritten, and I'm excited to script my own story in English. Week 1-2. Setting the foundation. I've spent the past 2 weeks laying the groundwork for my English learning journey. I've set up a dedicated study space, free from distractions, created a schedule, allocating time for language learning each day, downloaded language learning apps, like Duolingo and Babbel, started a vocabulary notebook, jotting down new words and phrases, began listening to English podcasts, like The Daily and How I Built This. It's been a whirlwind of activity, but I'm thrilled to see progress already. Week 3-4. Immersion mode. I've decided to surround myself with English as much as possible. I've switched my phone settings to English, started watching English TV shows with subtitles, currently binge-watching Friends, began listening to English music, trying to decipher lyrics, joined online language exchange communities, connecting with fellow learners and native speakers, started reading English articles and news, tackling topics that interest me. The more I immerse myself, the more my brain is starting to adapt. I'm beginning to think in English, and it's an incredible feeling. Week 5-6. Focus on grammar. Grammar has always been my Achilles heel, so I've dedicated the past 2 weeks to tackling it head-on. I've started working through grammar textbooks, like English Grammar in Use, practiced exercises, quizzes, and tests to reinforce my understanding. Watched video explanations and online tutorials for added clarity. Focused on one grammar rule per day, making sure I grasped it before moving on. It's been challenging, but I'm slowly starting to see the logic behind the rules. Week 7 to 8. Speaking and Pronunciation. It's time to focus on speaking and pronunciation. I've started speaking with language exchange partners, practicing conversations, recorded myself speaking, listening to identify areas for improvement. Worked on pronunciation, paying attention to intonation and accent. Used apps like SpeechLink to help me improve my speaking skills. It's nerve-wracking, but I know that speaking is crucial to mastering English. Week 9 to 12. Refining my skills. I've been focusing on refining my skills, solidifying my foundation. I've continued speaking with language exchange partners, increasing our conversation time, started writing short essays and journal entries in English, listened to podcasts and TED Talks without subtitles, read English books, starting with simple novels and gradually moving to more complex texts. I'm amazed at how far I've come. My comprehension has improved significantly, and I'm able to express myself more confidently. Week 13 to 16. Delving deeper. I've started exploring more nuanced aspects of the language. I've studied idiomatic expressions, learning to use them in context, analyzed complex grammar structures, understanding their subtleties, explored different accents and dialects, broadening my listening skills, started learning colloquialisms and slang, understanding informal language. It's fascinating to see how language evolves and adapts to different cultures and contexts. Week 17 to 20. Mastering vocabulary. Vocabulary is key to mastering English, so I've learned prefixes, suffixes, and root words to decipher unfamiliar terms, studied word connotations, understanding shades of meaning, explored domain-specific vocabulary, learning industry-specific terms, played word games like Scrabble and Boggle to reinforce my learning. My vocabulary has expanded exponentially, and I'm able to express myself with precision. Week 21 to 24. Fluency and Coherence. I've focused on developing fluency and coherence. I've practiced speaking extemporaneously, responding to prompts and questions, written longer essays and articles, refining my writing style, engaged in debates and discussions, articulating my opinions, listened to audiobooks and podcasts without effort, understanding complex ideas. I feel like I'm finally achieving fluency. Week 20 for plus. Mastery. I've reached the pinnacle of my English learning journey. I've mastered the language, and it's an incredible feeling. I can express myself with ease, understand complex ideas, and connect with people from diverse backgrounds. As I close this journal, I want to leave a message to myself and to anyone who's embarking on a similar journey. Learning a language is not just about mastering grammar rules or vocabulary lists. It's about embracing a new culture, exploring different perspectives, and broadening your horizons. Stay curious, stay committed, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. And to my future self, I say, see you again in the next adventure. May it be filled with wonder, growth, and endless possibilities. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep shining. Congratulations, viewers, on taking the first step towards mastering English. Remember, learning a language is a lifelong journey, and every small step counts. Stay motivated, practice consistently, and immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. See, they're an essential part of the learning process. You got this. Keep pushing forward, and you'll achieve your goals in no time. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you've been watching my progress from the beginning, I hope you've enjoyed seeing my growth and improvement. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more language learning content, tips, and inspiration. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.